In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Wix and Shopify seamlessly. If you're looking to integrate these two platforms to enhance your online business capabilities, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and set this up in just a few easy steps. First, make sure you have your Shopify URL handy. This is essential as you'll need it when we move into the settings within Wix. So, grab that URL and keep it accessible as we navigate through the process. Now, open your browser and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, head over to the site you want to connect with Shopify and click on Design Site. This is your launching pad for all the customizations and integrations you're going to do today. Once you're in the Design section, look to add a new element. You can do this by clicking on the Add button, which usually features a plus sign. From the list of options that appear, hover over the Embed option and select Embed Code. This feature is what will allow us to connect the two platforms seamlessly. Next, you'll need to select Embed a Site. This option allows a direct link between an external site, in this case Shopify, and your Wix site. It's straightforward, but powerful, because it bridges the gap between these two e-commerce giants, allowing them to work in harmony. Here's where you'll paste the Shopify link you've already copied. Do this carefully, and once you've entered the link, make sure you click Save or Update to ensure all your new settings are stored correctly. This step is crucial because you'll want your connection to be fully functional for both you and your customers. Moving forward, it's time to customize. Explore the options available so your embedded Shopify store looks and feels integrated with your existing Wix design. Tweak the dimensions and appearance to ensure it's aesthetically aligned with the rest of your site. This will provide your visitors with a seamless experience, whether they're browsing directly through your Wix site or checking out your Shopify products. Now that you've configured everything to your liking, it's essential to preview your changes. Click on the Preview option. This is where you can see exactly how the site will appear to your visitors. Even the smallest changes will reflect here, so make any last-minute adjustments if needed. Finally, once everything looks perfect and you're satisfied with the setup, hit that Publish button. This makes your integration live and allows your Wix site to showcase the Shopify store you've connected. It's a simple conclusion to a straightforward process, ensuring your business operations are enhanced by the strengths of both platforms. And there you have it, a fully integrated Wix and Shopify site ready to offer your customers an